Guys, this video will help simplify your digital marketing for your digital products. Imagine Canva's video section, but on steroids. Yep, that's FlexClip. It's a one-stop shop for all your video needs. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 awesome ways to promote your digital products just using FlexClip, okay? Plus, stick around till the end because I have a special giveaway for you from FlexClip. Hey Rock fam, welcome back to my channel where I help busy parents use AI tools to start and grow their side hustles. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update, okay? Now, let's get into the video, guys. So first up, product demos. You know how we all love to try before we buy. So with FlexClip, you can create short, snappy videos to show off your digital products' coolest features, like giving your audience a virtual test drive, guys. So next, let us talk about video ads. So we all know that social media can be a beast, right? FlexClip lets you design stop scrolling ads tailored for different platforms. Whether it's a punchy TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook ad, FlexClip has you covered for those, okay? Guys, you know that it has some products that can be pretty complicated, right? And pretty hard to explain. Well, with FlexClip, that is not a problem because FlexClip will help you break it down into bite-sized, easy to digest explainer videos for your audience to understand in no time. And next we have customer tutorials, and we all know that customer tutorials are gold, right? So FlexClip lets you compile them into a visually appealing video to build trust and credibility. All right, so next you can easily create faceless videos, and I know this is very common, and I actually have a faceless guide right here, so you can purchase. The link is below. So FlexClip allows you to create faceless videos with text overlays for any of your products, keeping it simple and very effective. Okay, so you can also create teaser videos, guys, for new products you are working on to build anticipation and excitement. All right, we all need that. Next, we have tutorial videos, which are extremely important. Yes, you can use FlexClip to create how-to videos that will make your customers feel like pros in no time. Right? And let us not forget our social media stories are extremely popular. So with FlexClip, you can craft vertical videos that will make your Instagram and Facebook stories pop up. And let us not forget our email list. You can spice up your email marketing by embedding FlexClip videos into it, okay? So trust me, your open rate and click-through rate will thank you for doing that, all right? And next, last but not least, you can breathe life into your blog posts by transforming them into videos. It's like giving your content a second chance to live. It's like giving your blog content new life. Guys, this is so easy to use. And if you are so interested and thrilled and really love what you're hearing today, guys, please feel free just to explore FlexClip, right? And the link is below. All you have to do is try it. And if you love it, then continue using it, okay? Okay, so guys, let us not forget our exciting news. I've got an amazing opportunity for 3 lucky viewers. So FlexClip has decided to give away free monthly business plan accounts. So this is perfect for those of you looking to level up your video marketing game. So each winner will get full access to FlexClip's business plan for a month. Okay, for 1 month. So that means premium features and everything you need to create professional quality videos for your digital products. Isn't that cool? Okay, so how to enter? So in order to enter this awesome giveaway, you'll have to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment entered. And number 3, visit the link below to enter and tell us what video you'd like to create first with FlexClip. Okay, see how simple it is? So this giveaway will run for about 2 weeks. I will announce the winners in my video and in the community tab. So make sure you have your notifications turned on. Alright guys, so don't miss this chance to supercharge your video marketing. So enter now, and who knows, you might be one of our lucky winners. So if you're craving for more videos on marketing tips, check out this video right here. And if you need personalized help with your digital products, I offer consulting services. Check the link in the description for more details. Also, be sure to download my digital product starter kit to kickstart your journey with your digital products. Okay, so until next time, keep creating and promoting those awesome digital products of your own. Bye.